Hi mga mahal! Another pang malakasan negosyo package na naman kahit nasa bahay lang. Ikaw na yata ang hinahanap na bagong reseller ng Rice Scents PH. This is not just ordinary perfumes. Guarantee talaga na long-lasting and very fresh and clean ang mga scents ng perfume nila. Luxurious fragrance oil based from Europe with affordable price for as low as 1,350 pesos, may negosyo ka nang pwedeng simulan. Kagandahan pa dito, since mild scents lang siya, pwede rin siya for sensitive skin. Pwedeng pang everyday use whenever you're in office, school, or in any special event. Available din ang mga Rice Scents home perfume spray nila na antibacterial, disinfectant, and deodorizer na pwede rin sa room or kitchen, including this Rice Scents Rediffuser with 2 luxury scents, summer and autumn. Meron din silang car diffuser na mild scents lang and very elegant ang packaging. At kung gusto nyo naman mag-relax using home service massage, perfect naman sa inyo tong Rice Scents Massage Oil. Amoy pa lang, marerelax ka na agad. Available din ang Rice Scents Antibacterial Hand Wash from 50 ml to 300 ml. I love the gummy bear scents. And last, ang Rice Scents Dishwashing Liquid na very soft and gentle sa kamay with 2 scents, ang calamansi and lemon. For more details, pakifollow na lang ng page nila.